Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your phone and BMW. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the car or enable wireless CarPlay in Bluetooth/Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone. Make sure iOS is updated. On the iDrive, go to Connections, then Mobile Devices, and enable Apple CarPlay for your paired phone. Once done, select your phone as active device and choose CarPlay on the display. This gets the system ready, so you can switch to full screen modes in the next step. Now you adjust display settings to force full screen CarPlay. With CarPlay active, use the iDrive controller or touch to access display options or app layout. Some BMW menus label it Screen or View. Select the full screen or expanded view for CarPlay. If there's an option to hide iDrive elements or overlays, enable it to remove bars and widgets. Make sure orientation and zoom are set to maximize usable area. This ensures apps and maps occupy the whole screen rather than sharing space. Finish by confirming behavior during driving. Open maps or music and watch that they fill the screen. If it still shows split view, reboot both the iPhone and the head unit, then reconnect. Make sure BMW firmware and iOS are up to date. Outdated software often limits full screen options. If problems persist, unpair and repair the phone or reset CarPlay settings in iDrive. One key troubleshooting tip: if menus differ, check your model's specific screen mapping. Some BMWs require a display firmware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.